Today we will explore audiobooks together. First, add your books. Here I will import books from the cloud drive. The selected books are now listed for import. Transfer list monitors the import progress. You can listen while it loads. You can start to play once a duration appears next to the title.
I can see the apples. I can
Now
see the
I will
bananas.
show you the menu options. Here you can add book to your book list for easy access. Book lists help you categorize and organize your library. Also, you can add book to your favorites. Adjust speed.
Kitten. Come and see a baby lamb. Come and see
View
the
the
baby
playlist
piglet.
and select the part you
Come
want
and
to
see the
listen.
baby. Funny things. Look at
In Personal Center, you can see your book data. Listening history shows a record of your previous books. Voice settings allows you to customize your audio profile. There are 3 ways to custom the reading voice. Let me show you how to use your own voice. You can have a try. It's fun. Themes changes the visual style of the interface. Data management lets you import a new data or delete files. You can also set a listening time with the sleep timer on your mobile client. This is the end. Thank you for watching.